In this video, we will see an example on phasors. Question: find v of t in the following integro-differential equations using the phasor approach. So here we have to find the v of t by simplifying this. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. Now here, if we convert this into its equivalent phasor domain format, so it will be this dv by dt. So this will be only v into j omega. When we perform derivative, that time we have to multiply it by j omega, then plus 5 v plus, now here we are performing integral, so we have to divide this by j omega. So it will be 4 v divided by j omega. It is equal to 20. Now here this is currently in sine form, so we have to first convert it into cosine form. So it will be 20 cos 4t plus 10 minus 90 degree, and now this will be 20 cos 4t and this will be minus 80 degree. So now we can convert this time domain into phasor domain, so it will be 20 at an angle minus 80 degree. So from here we can take this v common, so v in bracket. Also here we can see the value of omega is 4, so this will be j4 plus 5 plus 4 divided by j into 4. In place of omega we are substituting this 4. It is equal to 20 at an angle minus 80 degree. Now let's simplify this. So we can solve this in calculator directly. I into 4 plus 5 plus this will be, this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so it will be 1 by j. So 1 by j, so it is 5 plus 3 j. 5 plus 3 j, it is equal to 20 at an angle minus 80 degree. So v is equal to 20 at an angle minus 80 degree divided by 5 plus 3 j. 20 at an angle minus 80, 20 at an angle minus 80 divided by 5 plus 3 into I. So it is this much. We can convert this into polar form. So shift to 3. It is 3.42. 3.42 at an angle minus 110.96. Now since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. It is in phasor domain format. We can convert it into standard time domain format. So it will be v of t is equal to 3.42 cos omega t. The value of omega is, here we can see omega is 4. So 4t minus 110.96 degree volts. So this is the final answer in time domain format. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.